How to open WhatsApp location in Google Map. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you open WhatsApp location in your Google Map. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open WhatsApp app on your device. So simply open the WhatsApp. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose the conversation. From there, you want to open WhatsApp location. So simply I'm choosing this one. So as you can see, I have already sent a location to this contact on my WhatsApp. So to open that, you'll have to just open the link from here by tapping on this link. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you tap on that link, you will be automatically redirect to this Google Map application, and from here you can access the location of that device. So simply from here you can also open. So if you are the iPhone user, you'll have to hold that message, and from there after holding that message you will get a pop-up options like Apple Map or Google Maps. So from here you can choose Apple Map or Google Maps. So simply you can go through that option. So after you choose one option from there, you will be able to open WhatsApp location on your Google Maps. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.